Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I don't know when you're watching this, but I'm filming it right after Easter, and I have a big, juicy ham hock left over. So today, I'm going to make one of my favorite soups, split pea with ham, and we're going to make it in the slow cooker. We're making slow cooker split pea with ham today because I have errands to run and I cannot babysit the stove. If you want to do it on the stove, you can. You just do everything I'm doing now and keep an eye on the pot. But it's very simple, so let me show you how to make it. You will need 1.5 cups of split peas, a medium-sized onion, a carrot, a stalk of celery, bay leaf, a 1/4 teaspoon of herbes de Provence, 4 cups of low-sodium chicken broth because ham can be pretty salty, and of course that big, juicy, delicious ham hock. Chop up your vegetables and set aside. Rinse and drain the split peas and put them in your slow cooker. Add your vegetables, your herbes de Provence, your ham hock, bay leaf, and broth. Don't salt it. You're going to do that at the end if it needs it. Then put on the lid, set it for 4 hours on high. After 4 hours, remove the ham hock and set it aside to let it cool so you can handle it. In the meantime, take your soup and put it in a blender. Then take it for a spin. Add it back to the pot. Then remove the meat, which should be falling off the bone at this point, from your ham hock. Chop it up if the pieces are too big, and add it back into the soup. Give it a good stir and serve. This is so thick and creamy. I'm going to enjoy it with some toasted cornbread. And as I said, ham can be salty, so you have to be very careful about seasoning the soup. But I did a little taste test when you weren't looking, and it could use a little more salt. So I'm just going to hit it with a sprinkle of smoked salt flakes, Maldon salt, and that will not only enhance the flavor, but it'll give it a little crunch. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber and leave a comment for me because I love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at Home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.